Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to the eTeach Consult Diaries. Today we want to look at how to remove code names from a text in Excel. So our example here, we have a company with their various codes. So we have a company ATC with the code ATC1 and we want to get rid of the code and the parentheses. How do we go about it? So we introduce our replace and find dialog box by pressing Control H. So we have our find and replace dialog box. So in the find hot, we introduce our parentheses, we introduce the asterisk or the wildcard star, we close our parentheses. In the replace with, we don't put in anything there. We go to find all. Automatically it will find all the characters in the parentheses. The moment we click on replace or see what happens, automatically all the characters or the codes are gone and we just have only the company name or the company name left. And this is how fast and quick we can really clean your data when you face such challenges. Thank you very much for joining us and continue to follow us on eTeach Consult Diaries. Have a wonderful day.